Miguel Mike Castro Enriquez, September 29, 1951. August 29, 2023, was a Filipino broadcast journalist and television presenter. He started his career as a radio broadcaster in 1969, and after signing with GMA Network in 1995, he became an anchor for Saksi, GMA Network News, and 24 Horas. He was also the consultant for radio operations of GMA Network and president of the network's regional and radio subsidiary, RGMA Network Inc., and the station manager of Super Radio DZBB 594 AM. Enriquez was regarded as one of the most influential journalists in the Philippines and a pillar of the Philippine broadcasting industry. Miguel Castro Enriquez, the first of three siblings, was born on September 29, 1951, in Santa Ana, Manila. He used the term destructive to a certain extent to describe his curiosity-filled, active childhood. Enriquez initially wanted to become a priest, which was rejected by his parents. Enriquez finished his elementary and high school education at La Salle Green Hills. Instead, he was enrolled at De La Salle College, now De La Salle University, taking up of liberal arts and BS Commerce. Enriquez finished his degree in 1973 and taught broadcast management classes at the university. Enriquez started his career in broadcasting as a staff announcer at the Manila Broadcasting Company in 1969. Enriquez was visiting a friend in a radio station when, as a joke, his friend introduced him to the station manager as prospective applicant. The manager invited him to do a test reading and was offered a job on the spot. Enriquez subsequently worked in various positions as a broadcast reporter, a news editor, program director, and station manager until he became manager of a medium-sized radio network. He also had stints in other radio networks such as Freedom Broadcasting Radio Network and Radio Mindanao Network RMN, where he became vice president for the company. He was the man behind the huge success of DWKC 93.9, which stayed in the #1 spot for so many years before he left in 1995. He was the voice behind the Mellow Touch 94.7 signature and introduction. He also became a disc jockey known as Baby Michael and played a cameo role as a disc jockey in Andrew E.'s 1992 movie Mahirap Maging Pogi. In 1994, after leaving RMN, Enriquez joined GMA Network to head its radio division and expand its radio networks, with only for originating stations at that time. In 1995, Enriquez was convinced by the network to be the anchor in what would be his first on-cam appearance. Months later, the network executives called for him to come back. He anchored a 15-minute newscast in the early evening slot together with Karen Davila. the late afternoon news program entitled Saksi. GMA headline Balita premiered on October 2, 1995. In July 1998, Enriquez landed his anchor duties into the late-night newscast GMA Network News with Vicky Morales. Since his first months on network news, they decided to change the language to Taglish and later changed to Filipino in November that year. In August 1999, he returned to Saksi, this time with Morales as co-anchors. In February 2000, Enriquez returned to radio via Super Radio DZBB with his new program based on his former newscast Saksi SA Dobelby. In August 2000, Enriquez hosted the public affairs program entitled Investigator, earning him the moniker Investigator NG Bayan. On March 12, 2004, Enriquez left Saksi to become an anchor of GMA's then newly inaugurated primetime newscast 24 Horas, reuniting with former front page anchor Mel Tiangco. Throughout his career as a news anchor, he covered numerous events ranging from the EDSA to the September 11th attacks, the eve of the U.S. invasion of Iraq, the funeral of Pope John Paul II, the aftermath of Typhoon Ondoy, the siege of Marawi, and the aftermath of Super Typhoon Haiyan in Tacloban. Enriquez was named as one of the most child-friendly personalities by the Southeast Asian Foundation for Children and thrice consecutively by the Anak TV Seal Awards. Enriquez was also known for his trademark line Hindi Naman Ko Tatantanan, which he usually uttered at the end of stories involving crime and corruption. His habit of saying "excuse me, po" after coughing or sneezing on air was also one of his trademark lines. Enriquez was fondly called by his fellow GMA employees by his nickname, as Buma named after an elephant character featured in the 1961 issue of Pinoy comics created by Mars Ravello. Due to his booming voice in the industry, as his nickname was used in radio communications. Enriquez was a member of the Board of Trustees of La Salle Green Hills and acted as the treasurer and chairman of its finance committee. Enriquez was married to Elizabeth Baby Yumping and had no children. On August 22, 2018, Enriquez revealed he went on medical leave due to ailments such as kidney and heart disease and diabetes. Following his absence in 24 Horas and Super Radio DZBB, he underwent a heart bypass surgery and later returned to broadcasting on November 26th. In December 2021, Enriquez took another medical leave of absence, during which he underwent a kidney transplant. He returned to his programs on March 28, 2022, in time for GMA's coverage of the 2020 Philippine presidential election, although he took another medical leave 3 months after the elections. Enriquez died aged 71 at 3:04 p.m. in St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City on August 29, 2023. According to his widow, he suffered a cardiac arrest while undergoing a routine dialysis. His wake was held at Christ the King Parish, Green Meadows in Quezon City. Enriquez was buried on September 3rd at the Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.